Good morning, student. Today I will read the poem Run for you, and then I will explain it also. Then we will talk about this poem. The name of your poem is Run. The poet of this poem is Mary Daunt. Now I am starting the poem. Away from the city and into the sun, out to the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run neath the trees, run little races with each little bridge. Run down the hillside, run up the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. Away from the city. Away means far away from the city and into the sun. Out to the country, run, run, run. Now in this poem, the poet are telling to the children for running. Where they have to run? They have to run far away means far from the city and into the sun. Into the sun means into the sunlight, in the light of the sun. Out to the country. Out to means towards. Here I written this. Towards the country. In this poem, the meaning of country is village. Towards the, away from the city, towards the country. Country means village. Run, run, run. Run in the raindrops. Where they have to run? They have to run in the raindrops. Run neath the trees. This neath means beneath. Beneath means under. Run under the trees. Run little races with each little bridge. The meaning of bridge is pleasant wind, means cold wind. The poet is telling to the children, do the racing with little bridge. Run down the hillside. Run up the lane. Run through the meadow. Then run back again. To explain the meaning of this hillside, I draw here hills. Hillside means this. These are your hills and this is your hillside. This area is hillside. Run up the lane. This is your lane. The poet is telling to the children, run down the hillside, yani ki under this side of the hill. These are your hill and this side is your hillside, this side. And run up the lane, and here run up the lane. Run through the meadow. Meadow means grassland. Grassland, the place where the grass grows. Grassland, this. Run through the meadow, run through the grassland. Then run back again and then come back to that place from where you start your racing. Now, run and be merry. The poet is telling to the children, run and be merry. Merry means happy. Merry means happy. Run and be happy all through the day. All through means the whole day, from morning to evening. Run. Run to the country, run to the village. Away, away. Now, this is the meaning of this poem. But actually, anybody can tell me what the poet wants from us. Student, can you tell me what the poet wants to tell us? What do you learn from this poem? Anybody can tell me? Okay, I will tell you what the poet wants to tell to the children by this poem. The poet wants you don't sit inside your room, inside your house only. Don't waste your time. Don't be lazy. Come out from your house and do little running to keep your body fit. As you know, running is a very good exercise. It keeps us fit, happy and smart. Understand? Poet wants children, poet wants don't sit inside of your house or room. Come out from your house or room and do little exercise. Running is a very good exercise, na? Poet wants every children have to do the exercise. Now your work. This is unit 3. In this unit there are 2 chapters. First is poem Run, which I explain you. Second is Nasruddin's Aim. This is your lesson. Now your first work is Run. Contents of this poem is you have to do difficult words, word meaning, question answer, think and write and make sentences of this lesson. First, difficult words. Difficult words. Country, raindrops, neath, bridge, hillside, meadow, merry. Word meaning. Raindrops, a single drop of rain. Neath, under. Breeze, a gentle wind. Meadow, a piece of grassland. Merry, cheerful, and you can say happy also. Now question answer. What does the poem tell us to do? The poem tells us to run to the country and through the day and be merry. Second question is write about the places where the poet wants us to run. The poet wants us to run down the hillside, up the lane and through the meadow. Now think and write. Think and write. Your first question is when you run fast, what do you feel is happening to your body? Student, I am going to write, I written here the answer of this question. Rest of the question of this topic, think and write, I gave you as homework. When you run fast, what do you feel is happening to your body? Answer. When I run fast, sweat comes from my body. My heart beats become faster. The energy level of my body also gets increased. Now question number 2 and question number 3 is your homework. Do you like to play and run? About why? This is your homework. If you like to play and run, I hope everybody like to play and run. Then you give the answer of this question in your own words. Do you like to play and run? About why? Why you like to play and run? Okay. Now question 3 is, running is very good exercise. Name the games that you play in which you have to run. As you know, running is very good exercise. In the answer of this question, you have to write the name of that games in which you have to run. Like cricket. In cricket, the player need to run, and football also. So you write minimum 4 or 5 games name in which you have to run. Okay, write down 4 or 5 name of the games that you play. Okay. Now make sentence. Make sentences with following words. Run, neat, bridge, meadow and merry. These are the 5 words. And you have to make the sentence by using these words. Your first word is run. You can write here, a horse run very fast. Okay. The rest of the words you use in your sentence and do your this homework very neatly and neat and clean handwriting. In neat and clean handwriting. Okay, thank you student. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.